What's up everyone? Centering elements is a fundamental part of web design. So today I'll show you various ways to center elements in Webflow. Let's dive in. To center text or an image horizontally, select the element. In the Style panel, set the display to block or inline block. Under Typography, click on the Center Align icon. To center div block or any other element, we can use auto margins. Select the element, set the width to a specific value like 50% or 200 px. Under margin, set the left and right margins to auto. Another option we can use is Flexbox. And to do this, select the parent container of the element you want to center. In the Style panel, set the display to flex. Set Justify to center for horizontal centering. Set Align to center for vertical centering. And our last option is using grid. So use a grid layout and place your element in the center cell. Alright, so choose a method that best fits your layout. And there you have it, centering elements made easy in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. I'll catch you later.